تعال انت ما بس
وحايل وانا صابر نقول قوري درس به
تعال انت
وريد كان قاري مان مثل ذا كم شيء
What you need, Mr. Officer? What you need? Why you taste me? My car is on park. You hit me. Police woman are stupid. I'm just fixing my car. What are you doing? Don't be a stupid cop.
Y otra vez es tu decisión, no la decisión de los niños.
Hey, Bon, help me. This cop arrest with no warrant. Hey, admin, this cop arrest me with no warrant. You hit my car. I'm just parking on the other side. You hit my car. What are you doing? That's not a violent. I don't have a record. My car is on park. You hit me. Sheesh. These cops are crazy. That's why nobody likes you. Because this kind of stupid things. You hit my car, Briella. That's why I talk to you first. Did you see me? Did you see me go away? No. Did you see me? Did you see me? Ah, see? I have no record.
I
I'm
think
clean.
it has to take off. Then this one.
I stopped by the side of the road because I'm fixing my settings. Then you hit me. Next thing I know, you tase me. That's why I talk to you first and ask you what's the problem. Then next thing I know, you tase me and handcuff me. What are you doing? No, no, no. You hit my car. My car is stopped on the side of the road. Okay, show it to me. Show it to me. Show it to me. This is a small problem. You are making this big. Come on, if you want to jail me, jail me. I have many things to do. We are taking so. This is taking so long.
You got violation, right?
Ay, ay, ay. Are you sleeping?
Nobody's sleeping. Stop talking.
I can. I will talk because I am right. I have no. I have no problem
Why
with.
do you hit the car? Why do you hit the car?
I don't hit his car. My car is parked on the other side of the road because I'm just
Why
fixing
why
my
why
settings.
why will you park on the road?
I'm
Please
fixing my
let us know real quick.
settings.
Don't do that
So,
next
yeah,
time.
so for
Okay?
a hit in the car, it'll be a, I believe it'll be a 2.2. Yeah, because it damages the private
I'm the
property.
side of the road because I'm fixing my settings. Then
Don't
this
do this
cop,
next time.
then this cop suddenly hit
So
my
the
car.
2.2, shall I show him that?
and she is denying it. Okay, okay. If you want to
Yeah, I
jail me,
believe it's
okay?
2.2. It's 2.2 bro. Yeah, 2.2.
If you want to
I got it.
jail me
Yeah,
because I have many things to do. This is taking so long. This is a small issue. You're taking it
it
big.
just has in one in.
Hey, charge me. I don't care. Charge me because I have many things to do. Just next time, being honest to your job. Tell the truth, okay? Okay, okay. It's my fault. Jail me now. I don't want to argue. In your eyes, I'm wrong. But in my eyes, ay, ay, ay. Why are you taking it so long?
Okay, ma'am.
Why are you searching me? Are you trying to plant me on drugs? Oh, she hit me. Police brutality. He punched me. He punched me. You see that?
Done, ma'am. Search him.
Why you punch me, huh? Come on, speak up. Why you punch me? Ay, ay, ay.
yeah. I put in like in the real for it, dude. Yeah.
I don't care if he's new.
He's a,
He's
he's a Canadian,
he's
isn't it?
wrong.
He's
He punched me. I want my lawyer. Hey, this new cop punched me.
I'm not sure, bro. I think
It's okay, it's okay. Yeah, that's not a problem. She is a newbie. He is a newbie, I understand. Can I ask a question? Hey, can I ask a question? Why you hit my car?